Like, y'all are probably wondering what's like inside this like little giant thing, right? So all you have to do is just hang on. This, okay, look, I could just easily fall down. I could easily just glitch. This is what's inside it. It's not freaking rocket shit. Just wanted to show y'all. And people are all over YouTube are trying to figure out if this was a rocket ship, but it's not. It's just like a, I guess to keep the water clean. So this is, so if y'all want to figure it out or look for yourself, prove me wrong, just like create a new creative map and freaking like and go to scroll all the way down. Let's see, all the way down to trying to do this with one freaking hand. I think we passed it. Here. I can go to here. I'll pull up there. Then just go inside and voila. I'll just fall in here. Yeah, just want to show y'all a quick video. So yeah.